Today, our subject is Science, Grade 4/1, and welcome to MEP Department. Welcome back! This is Teacher Jhas, your science teacher, and welcome to Science Online Class. Today, we will study about groups of animals. What is the groups of animals? Do you have any idea? Okay, very good. We have two groups. The first one is vertebrate. Okay, vertebrate is the chameleon. Next, invertebrates. It is the jellyfish. Okay, let's move on. But before that, I will tell you something about animals. Animals are another group of living things on Earth. If we explore our house, school, or community, we will see different animals of different size. Some of them may live in water or on land. Okay, some may live underground or on trees. Let's go. Now, before we continue, let's try to answer this. Okay, name the animals in each picture. I will give you 3 minutes to answer. Do you understand? Very good. Let's start. What animals is this? Number 1. Okay, great. It's a cat. Next, number 2. Okay, millipede. Number 3. What is this? Oh, okay, very good. That is butterfly. Next is number 4. What is it? Okay, very good. It is tree lizard. Number 5. What animal is this? Very good. It is monkey. And last, number 6 is a duck. Okay, very good, everyone. Okay, now class, let's discuss first the vertebrate classification. What is the vertebrate classification? First is amphibians. Under of amphibians, thin and humid skin, transformation throughout their life cycle. They change their breathing method, lungs, gills, and skin. There are also from eggs, cold-blooded animals. They live on the ground and water. Next is fish. Did you know fish? Very good. Under a fish, they live underwater. They breathe throughout gills. Some of them have scales covering their bodies. Fins help them to move under the water, and cold-blooded animals. And also, they are born from eggs. Next is reptiles. Okay, under of reptiles, the longest lived species on the planet. And we have cold-blooded animals. Body covered with scales or shell. And also, they cannot chew. They are born from eggs, and also they live on the ground or in the water. Next, it is birds. Okay, what is birds? Under a birds, body covered with feathers. They usually have porous, lightweight bones to allow them to fly, and they live flying on the ground. They have wings to fly. Their mouths are toothless beaks, and also warm-blooded animals, and they are born from eggs. Next is the last one is mammals. What animals you can call mammals? They are born alive from the mothers. They breathe through lungs, and they live in the water, the air, and the ground. They have their body covered from fall, and we have warm-blooded. Okay? Again, under our vertebrates classification is amphibians, fish, reptiles, birds, and mammals. We have 5 groups. Okay, do you understand, everyone? Very good. Now let's move on. Let's proceed first the example. What is the examples of vertebrates? Okay, fish. Next, amphibians, it is frog. Reptiles, it is chameleon. Okay. Next is birds. And the last one, mammals, it is horse. Okay, very good, everyone. Now, let's proceed. Okay, now everyone, let's discuss the invertebrate classification. What animals they include in invertebrate classification? Invertebrate, we have 8 groups. Okay, we have 8 groups. What is the 8 groups? Let's start. Number 1, sponge. Okay. Next, the sponge, they have holes all over their bodies. Their structures are made of spicules, which are like a skeleton in a human body. Next is invertebrates with hollow bodies. The center of their bodies is hollow. Their bodies are like jelly with only one open hole. This hole is for taking food in and letting waste out. Next, number 3, invertebrates with flat bodies. They have soft, flat, and long bodies without any legs or anosis. However, which of them has a mouth and is of 2 sexes? There are parasites which feed on human and another animal's blood. Okay, next is invertebrates with round bodies. They have soft, round bodies and smooth skin without any legs. Each of them has a mouth and anus and is of one sex. There are parasites living in or on human and animals' bodies. They reproduce sexually. The example of these round bodies is roundworms. Okay, next is number 5. Number 5 is invertebrates with segmented bodies. They have round and long segmented bodies which look like many rings joined together. Their skins are always moist. They have nervous, digestive, and closed circulatory system. Next is number 6. Invertebrates with rugged skin. They have rugged, bumpy, and hard hard, soft-faced, they appear in different shapes without any heads. Under their bodies, there are many small feet in the shape of tubes. And next, number 7, shellfish, squid, and octopus. Okay. Shellfish, their bodies are soft, but their shells are hard because they are formed from calcium carbonate. Shellfish move by sticking their muscle out of their shell. And also, they produce sexually and lay eggs. They are found on land and in water, both fresh water and salt water. Okay, last, number 8, invertebrates with joined legs. Okay, they have joined legs. Their body have 3 parts: head, chest, and stomach. Some of them have only 2 parts. We have head and chest. Their bodies are covered with hard skin. And also they shed her skin as they grow and reproduce sexually. Okay, we have how many group? Okay, very good. We have 8 group under of invertebrates classification. Do you understand, everyone? Very good. Now, let's proceed and I will show you the example. What animals they include on invertebrates? First is sponge. Okay. Next is jellyfish. Next is worm. Okay, this is the worm. Next is starfish. Okay, starfish. Next, and shellfish. Okay, if you say shellfish, we have shell like crab, shrimp. Okay, do you understand, everyone? Very good. Now let's move on. Okay, now everyone, let's proceed for your activity time. Are you ready? Great! So now, let's answer your activity. Please open your book on page 38. Again, on page 38, the instruction there is observing the outer and inner parts of animals. Okay, we have what is the type of animals and what is the outer and inner parts of the animals and what is the group. Like I said, we have 2 groups of animals, that is invertebrates and vertebrates. Okay, now let's start. Very good. What animal is this? Okay, mackerel. Very good. What is the outer part of mackerel? It has a long and soft body with small scales and fins. How about the inner part? It has soft flesh with bones along its body and from side to side. Okay, what is the group of mackerel? It is vertebrates or invertebrates? Okay, very good. That is vertebrate. Okay, next, number 2. Very good. It is squid. Do you eat squid? Okay. Now, what is the outer part of squid? It has a soft body with white skin. How about the inner part? It has soft flesh with no bones. What is the group? of squid? It is vertebrates or invertebrate? Okay, very good. That is invertebrates. Okay, now, number 3. Please answer by your own. And don't forget, the page is 38. Again, page 38. Okay, everyone? Okay, very good. So now, thank you for listening and thank you for your cooperation. Once again, this is Teacher Jhas, your science teacher. Please take care and don't forget to wear your mask. Okay? Do you understand? Excellent. So now, everyone, bye!